friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see basic German grammar for beginners and German alphabets. Okay, actually there is a separate video on German alphabets and their pronunciation on my channel. I will give a link in the description box so you can go through it. There I've explained it more properly. Okay, so here in brief we'll see all this grammar and alphabets. So the German alphabet and grammar can seem complicated, but once you learn the rules and how to use the letters, it's very simple and logical. Okay, it seems complicated, but it is not. Actually, it is not if you learn the rules and if you know where to use and how to use the letters. Now, the German alphabets contains 26 letters, just as in our English. Okay. Only thing is, but there is one more letter in addition to this 26 letters that is called as SZ. Okay, and we can write it like beta kind of letter, and it is replacement of, you can say, double S. How you pronounce double S in English? It is just like that. The pronunciation is same. Only thing is we use this instead of double S. Okay, to replace double S here in German words. So this is addition to this 26 letters. And there are variations. We can make different variations of vowels, okay, with umlaut, right? In English, we just have A, E, I, O, U. Just like that, in German also we have these vowels, but we have with some vowels, you can say, there are umlauts, the two dots above these vowels, A, O, and U. So there are different pronunciations with these umlauts. Okay, so we can make different variations of pronunciation with these vowels, right? So this is one addition part of German alphabets. Now, basic German grammar or main part of German grammar to know is that all nouns are given a gender, whether it is masculine, feminine, or neutral. But it should have a gender, and this is very important part of German grammar. So again, there is a different or separate video on my channel called definite articles. There I have explained it in more detailed way, you can say. Again, I will give a link in the description box. You can go through it. But I will just explain you in brief. There are three definite articles and we have to write it before the noun. Okay. So these are der, die, and das. So der is for masculine noun, die is for feminine, and das is for neutral noun. So just remember this. Then meaning der Stuhl, if you say der Stuhl, meaning it is masculine noun. Then die Tabelle, meaning this is feminine noun. And das Messer, Messer is knife. So this is neutral noun. So just remember this, that every noun has a gender in German grammar. Okay, so this is very important part. And we have to capitalize the nouns. This is also very important in German grammar. This is the most basic rule, you can say. Now start with the basics, like the alphabet and simple words and phrases. We can learn or we can combine this all together and make small sentences. So whenever you are learning a new language or German language, you have to go step by step. Okay, don't make complicated sentences. Once you learn these rules and you are able to make small sentences, then you do complicated sentences. But you should know the common phrases, basic phrases, and simple words. Then your vocabulary will increase. Now there are modal verbs also. With these modal verbs, you can make sentences. Modal verbs are helping verbs, right? So there are können meaning can. Then wollen is want. Sollen is should. Dürfen is maybe or allowed to. Müssen is must. Möchten is would like. And mögen is like. These are the few modal verbs. With these helping verbs, you can say, you can make sentences by yourself. So it is not so complicated. It seems complicated, but actually it is not. So that's all for today, friends. We have seen this basic German grammar and alphabets. So see you next time. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.